So in this lecture, we'll be talking about how to use Google Trends to validate our keywords. Till now, we have actually used similar sites, we have find out keywords, we have now have a list of keywords. So I have top 50 keywords, you might have a list bigger than me. Surely you should have at least a list bigger than me. So once you have 100 or 150 or 200 keywords, we now need to filter them first. So we can actually change our file name from unfiltered to filtered. So what you need to do is, if there are any similar keywords, just remove them. So if you have something like smartphone comparison and smartphones comparison, so they both are same in the eyes of Google, just remove them. Or if you have something that have extra S or exactly same, just remove them. Second thing, just remove the brand name. If there is just like Tech Buffalo, just remove it. Also, if there are some broad keywords, remove them, and we will utilize other keywords in the filtered keyword file. Also, one important task that might take your time or consume your time. Try to make a set of filtered keywords that are similar, like smartphone comparison, smartphone news, best Android smartphone, top 10 smartphone. So these are similar keywords, that is, they have some similar trend and they might get some similar result. So try to utilize them and make a different section for them. Once you are done with all this, we are good to go for Google Trend. Now visit Google Trend. It's trends.google.com/trends, and you will be seeing some hot topics right now all over the world. You can customize it according to your country. In US, there is American football and football are trending. You can utilize it. You can test the trend for different type of keywords here. For suppose I'm checking the World Cup trend. So if you see last 7-day trend all over the world, there has been a huge decline. Since the World Cup is over by now, the trend nearby 15th of July, it was approx 100%. That's almost perfect. So we need to utilize these type of thing. Now get back to our topic. I hope you now understand what is Google Trend. So here I'm using 3 keywords that I have filtered from my keyword list. I'm using smartphone comparison, smartphone news, best Android smartphone. I take them in consideration and will utilize the best one to use by us. So here the elements are, I can target any country, so I can utilize the trend of country. Time period I need to check. So if you are writing on a hot topic or something that is not long term, like World Cup or a test series of something, or something that is related for a particular period of time, like festivals. So if you are writing a blog post for Diwali or Holi or anything like Christmas or any particular thing, you need to focus one thing, that when is the trend is high and when the trend is low. So if you are writing about Diwali in March or something like that, or if you are trying to target that particular keyword, the trend will not be exactly what you wanted for Holi. So I hope you understand. Categories, you can actually utilize the category system for a particular set of key terms. If you are targeting like Hollywood or Bollywood, you need to check for entertainment. If you are targeting some business, you need to particularly check for that. So that's how you need to use these type of filter. Also you can check for news, image search, YouTube search, Google shopping and web search. For now we are focusing on web search. If you are a YouTuber, if you want to upload some good videos, you can utilize this YouTube search also. Now back to our topic. I am taking 3 key terms. I have entered these 3 key terms. So if you see the trend, the first key term that I was using has negligible trend. So I don't see its importance anywhere. This is going to be discontinued by me for search term, and I will be focusing on these 2 only. Now most important thing, I can realize that these 2 have almost similar trend. So I can actually use both of them or use any single of them. But moreover that, my main focus will be on these related or interest by search. So here you can actually use this rising tab and understand which are the hot keywords that are getting more views than all the keywords that we are using for the trend search. If you see, they have given us a new suggestion, that is smartphone news for 2018. I need to consider it for a while. And if you go down, you will also get the key term, that is breakout. Breakout means this is the best key term that you can use to rank your website. This will be hot for your country, and also this is a worldwide famous key term. There are many aspects for this term breakout, and if you are targeting this particular keywords, you will be getting a huge lot of traffic. But remember, if the term is common or if the term is of some company or a broad keyword, just leave that here. So I got a particular keyword, best Android smartphone 2018. It's enough long, 4-word keyword, and it's a breakout keyword. I have some keyword like best smartphone 2018 also, so I can utilize them. But if you see other two, I won't recommend you to use them. You can see more keywords that are either breakout keywords or top keywords. Here the best Android smartphone for 2017. As I earlier told you, if the year is of previous trend, don't utilize it, since this will be not good for long term. We can also look for top category and can utilize all these type of keywords. I hope you understand what Google Trend is doing for me. It is helping me to filter and validate the keywords that I am using. So it actually comparing the keywords that I have collected right now. Let's take two interesting keywords, like some controversial topic that I want to write. So I will be taking two key terms that I want to make it as a controversial keywords. I will be taking Oppo Find X, since this is a new topic and they have good smartphone specs. And I will be taking Apple Watch Android, since I know Apple is never going to enter into Android feed. So let's take these two, or we can also utilize this Pokemon Go Plus. Let's utilize these three or any two. So here I'm using these three: Apple Watch Android, Oppo Find X price, Pokemon Go Plus. So if you see the trend, you will be understanding that Oppo Find X was not in the picture earlier. Why? Because I searched Google and got a result that Oppo Find X was released on 18th of July. So I can see the trend touching great height after 10th of July or 16th of July. We can also understand that the value for Pokemon Go Plus is still greater than the other two. One thing I get to notice, if I'm going to write my first blog post, it should be for Pokemon actually. I need to find good key terms for Pokemon using the Google Ad Keyword Planner. So we can also try to find some breakout keywords. Here is the one, Android version of Apple Watch. I think this is one of the good key terms that I will be looking. Can you use Apple Watch with Android? Okay, so yeah, we are getting some good keywords here and we can write good articles on them. You can also find one more keyword here if you want to target a country like Philippines or India. Also, we can utilize some good breakout keywords for Pokemon Go. How to connect Pokemon Go Plus to iPhone. So this is a long tail key term which has approx 8 words. So that's how we need to rank. You see, we are already getting some good long tail keyword. You just need to write good articles for them. So let's try the trend for India. And now you see trend for India is totally owned by Oppo Find X. I will be targeting US for my tech blog since my main aim is to use affiliate and AdSense, so I will be earning through them. Now it's totally your choice how you are going to utilize all the traffic that you are getting on your blog. Also, one more important thing, that if you have used all these three key terms, that is Apple, Oppo and Pokemon, you can also utilize that which are the countries that are more focused on these particular key terms. So you will get a graph like this. You can see Pokemon is interested by all of the world, whereas India is more focused on Oppo X, and there are some countries that are focusing on Apple Watch. So that's how you need to focus on keywords. So let's understand what we have done till now. We have analyzed our competitor website, that's done. We have gathered top keywords from those websites, done. We have removed the duplicate shortlisted keywords and make a list of 50-60 key terms, that's done. And we have used Google Trend to find out breakout keywords for them. Okay, great. These are the steps that we have done. Now we have good keywords in hand. Ready to write? Now listen one thing. At this point of time we have good keywords. Now we have topic on which we need to write. So you have to write at least 50 to 60 good articles on them and be regular on them. If you have done that, I am sure that you will be on first page for 5 to 10 keywords. So it's depend on how you are working on whole site. We'll be talking about technical section in the next module. So I'm hoping you understand all the keyword stuff. In the next lecture, we'll be talking a lot about other SEO tools that we might utilize. एक और वीडियो डन.